Okay, it's time for more fun. So I actually played with these ones yet. I better not do that. I already forgot control set, but it's not helping me. Clear screen. All right. Can I? Sweet. Okay. So we did some things. We we worked. We this is just there's something wrong with you. Okay. So we work with this. We work with that. This would probably should be route. But let this be aside. We are in a screen and we know what to do because we made it so easy for ourselves. We just basically need to. Yeah, this is better. So we need to return a row. So we need something with that. And we also wrote that we can learn a lot from this one. So, well, why not steal it? And well, why not steal it all? Let's see if it looks pretty. Not too bad. So we know the function should be called this. That's all. And so we just delete that. We know it should take this one. Solid. We need to return. All right. Row to be updated. All. Oh, sorry. And for this one, we don't want all. We want to use something that's called find, and then obviously we want to find sorry, this IP up here. So we're returning this as we should. And yes, here we store a lot. This one could be, we want to, where do we want to bring on, where do we want to bring this? We want to bring it to update transactions. Transaction, let's see what's called update transaction. Update transaction. Okay, if you don't mind, I'm just gonna check if everything looks decent. With the update description amount. Amount receipt date, yeah. All right. Update. Oof, this is a rare moment. And obviously, since we haven't done anything for this one, when I click this, the post node is not supported. Fair enough. So let's create some routes then. If it's angry about that. And I'm saying that because these are very similar. So in this case, you simply just need a post route because it is still the same method technique with telling the logic, what the transaction it is based on the IP, and obviously the new function. We call this one update selected transaction, and this one is also post route. We're going to delete something. That's the two things we have left. The button from the last view, and then the delete button, right? So this is basically going to be the same. And we could call this delete select transaction. Hold on. think my mind went off there for a little bit. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Okay, so good so far. I think I'll take some fresh air because my mind is wandering a bit. Delete selected. Transaction. So what we know is, well, let's copy them here so we can tell our new methods what we want to do. So we want still want to take this as a parameter. So we want this as a parameter. We want it to be called update call. Um, and where do we want it to go? This one we want to go to, since it's a redirect, it's going to be redirect. We don't want to return anything. These are this post stuff, redirect, and then it's av slash. Where do we actually want it to go? Show. Actually, maybe we want to have it to go to dashboard. All right. So that's the first one. Let's go. We call update. The next one is going to be a little bit the same. We know it's going to be have to be called this. It should definitely redirect to where it is pressed from. Otherwise, it looks very weird. Show transactions, and it should be called this. All right. I think that's gonna be after I take a little bit of fresh air, and then we are very close to having a decent app. Where do I do it? Stop here.